Hey guys, what's going on? It's AJ with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Bose Sport Buds to your phone. You're going to need the Bose Music app to obviously pair them the best way. So we're going to go ahead and hit Set Up New Device, and then Headphones, and then we will lift these guys here, take them out of the case, give that another try. And then it's found them. We're going to hit Connect. And it'll request on the Apple side of things to connect to Bluetooth. Just got to give it a second. It's going to give you all this stuff. You're going to get them change all the settings. We don't really care about that, but this is all set up. And now the pairing is actually complete. You can put them in your ear, play music, and you can also set up all your preferences in here. It's pretty cool. So that is how you pair. It's super easy. How you pair your Bose Sport Earbuds.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.